Redemption Music Group. Summertime, you in the sunshine too much. Come on, money. Get them summer stacks, family.
Hi, can I ask you what your name is?
My name's Ernie.
Ernie, and your name?
Eric.
And exactly who are you and what are you doing here?
Okay, basically I'm a World War II reenactor, and we're doing this to commemorate Pearl Harbor Day, which was yesterday. And we basically come out here and speak to the public to educate them on the events that occurred and to honor the veterans.
Do you find that when you're down in Miami that you meet people who are interested in what you're doing who don't speak English?
Oh yes, definitely. Quite a few actually.
And do you speak another language to accommodate them?
I speak Spanish.
I speak Spanish also, yes.
So you both speak Spanish as a second language?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And how did you learn to speak Spanish?
I went to school in Spain for about 10 months and I grew up in Miami, so in Miami you kind of have to know Spanish.
And you, sir?
My primary language was English, but I learned Spanish from my parents, which the main language spoken in the house is English, but I learned Spanish from them.
And why did they speak Spanish?
They're immigrants from Cuba.
Oh, okay, so American was their second language.
Yes.
You learned Spanish from them?
I learned English first because they learned English here, and that was the language that was spoken first at the house. So.
And you find it helpful to speak Spanish down in Miami as well?
Absolutely, sure do.
Yeah, my experience in Spain, I lived with a Spanish family while I was attending the university over there, so that was a much more direct involvement in the language on a daily basis. No one around me spoke English for about 10 months, so it was a it helped me quite a bit.
So you were sort of forced to learn their language?
Well, that was the whole idea, to go over there to be assimilated completely in a non-English environment and then to take the classes in the language and to really just give it your all. I mean, that's the best. I think to go out and to be in a situation where you cannot speak your native tongue is the best way to go. That's the only way to go if you really want to be immersed.
Yeah.